After a long time, Rivot Motrs finally gave an update about its factory. So when can we expect the delivery dates of Rivot Motrs NX100? Let's explore in this video. Namaste, I am Krishnitanya Mandela, your EV bro. Recently, Rivot Motrs through their LinkedIn page and their social media handles, they have posted few pictures and mentioned that their factory going to finish by 6 months. They are making in a record span of time, but there is no clarity whether they started the manufacturing unit from now, that is from March month. So considering that it will take almost like October month, you can expect the completion of Rivot Motrs factory. There is another scenario, by December 2023 onwards, they have shared some pictures about factory. So if you consider that pictures, then we need to realize that Rivot Motrs going to end the factory phase by June 2024. So there is no clarity about these two scenarios, but one thing is for sure, Rivot Motrs NX100 electric scooter not going to be delivered on time, whatever they have mentioned. In our previous videos, we clearly mentioned whatever they mentioned by June 2024 onwards, they are going to deliver the electric scooter. It is not going to happen because there is no clarification about the factory. And once again, they have proven that they have just now started the initial stages of the factory. Once they set up the factory, it will take some time, at least by September or October onwards. Then we can expect the electric scooter manufacturing process by end of the year. That is what we have mentioned in our previous video. And coming to Rivot Motrs, their electric scooter is NX100, claimed to have 300 kilometers of range with a price tag of 1.59 lakh rupees. And this electric scooter even supports DC fast charging as well. So let's hope Rivot Motrs to start the factory process and to start the manufacturing process soon. Most of the customers are waiting for the delivery dates of NX100 electric scooter, and make sure, be clear that whatever they mentioned the delivery dates, most probably they cannot deliver the electric scooter on time. That's the latest update about Rivot Motrs NX100. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to EV Bro. Charge the nature, drive the future.
Thank you.